If I had taken better care of myself, I wouldn't have got sick. Some things are like this. After doing it, we feel like we didn't want it. That means to express regrets about things that we have done. Now, what is saying here? If I had taken better care of myself, I wouldn't have got sick. Actually, what happens? I didn't take better care of myself. That's why I got sick. On that situation, we says, if I had taken better care of myself, I wouldn't have got sick. Here, a thing happened and there was a result. But we want something different from that. That is, we are imagining a different past. This is called third conditional sentences. In the series of conditional sentences, we have already practiced zero, first and second conditional sentences. Today we are going to practice third conditional sentences. Like other conditional sentences, the third conditional sentences also have a condition and a result. Compared to other conditional sentences, third conditional sentences never happen because they have already happened. That is past. So when you create third conditional sentences, in the conditional part we should use past perfect. Then how will be the structure? It is a condition. So we start with if, then subject. Then we should use past perfect. So had plus the third form of the verb. Just we can look at our example with this structure. If, then subject I, then had, then the third form of the verb taken. Take, took, taken. Then the remaining sentence, better care of myself. Next, how will be our result? Subject plus would have plus past participle of the verb. Look at here, subject I, then would have. Here we have negative sentence. So we used wouldn't have. Then the third form of the verb get, it is got. Get, got. So we are going to practice the third conditional sentences with this structure. If I hadn't seen him, I wouldn't have told him. Actually, what happened here? I saw him and I told him. But now I am imagining that if I hadn't seen him, I wouldn't have told him. If I had seen her, I would have told her to call you. Actually, what happened here? I didn't see her and I didn't tell her to call you. Here also, I am imagining that if I had seen her, I would have told her to call you. If you hadn't been so careless, you wouldn't have had that accident. This is also an imagination. What happened here? Actually, here you are so careless and you met with an accident. Then what I am imagining? If you hadn't been so careless, you wouldn't have had that accident. Next example. If I had known about you, I wouldn't have made friendship with you. After making friendship, I am thinking that if I had known about you, I wouldn't have made friendship with you. Here, actually, what is the situation? I don't know about you and made friendship with you. Next example. If I had known you were coming, I would have prepared food. So, what is the situation here? Actually, I don't know that you are coming. So, I didn't prepare the food. Then I am imagining that if I had known you were coming, I would have prepared food. I hope you all understood the third conditional sentences clearly. I will be back soon with a new lesson. Thank you. Keep watching, liking, sharing, and supporting.